Hey guys, today I want to share a true commission that you make on Clickbank. So if you have a look at here, you can see I've been generating a lot of income recently, which I will be sharing my strategy very soon in my upcoming videos. But this is not my true commission. The reason why is because it doesn't really take into account of the refunds that take place. So I'm going to go to reporting section and I'm going to show you my real commission. I'm going to show you my last month. I've made about 6 to 8 sales. Let me quickly go to the custom range set 1st of April to right now today. That's about a month and a half. So if I go, I've made about 170 sales selling text chemistry offer, which is converting like crazy. Order form sales conversion is about 30%. I made about 7,200 in the initial sales. Made about 3,300 on the upsell, which is amazing. So total I made about $10,000. However, there was about 40 refunds, which is 1,600. So my true commission that I get in my pocket is $8,891 within about like 45 days. So be careful guys, when you see those graphs here in the front screen, it may be misleading. So don't be too happy if you see these bars. But I mean, this is really good result. I've been getting a lot recently. I've generally get about $50 or $150 max, and I'm generating all this much. How I did it, I'll be sharing in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing all of my strategy with you guys. Thanks for watching.